Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to talk to you about image variation. Okay, so you can do 2 or 3 type of variation. Okay, from here you is under AI design. So you press return, you are inside here. You can select here AI design. You come into here, then you come into image variation. Alright. So from here you select your rendering. So which image you want to find. So you find this is my own template or this is AiHouse template. So it depends on your choice. Okay, so for now, let's say I go for my template. So let's say I go select a room. So let's say I choose something like this. Okay. I press confirm. Okay, so if I want something like this, then I can create or edit something like this. Okay, so let's say I don't want, I can just delete from here. Okay, then I select. So let's say I select gallery. Okay, then I select let's say living room. Alright, so let's say I want something like this. Press confirm. Okay, so in living room, so what kind of description? So I go into words, image to words. So I can select here. So let's say I come here, I want to come into rooms. So let's say I want WWE, then press confirm. So wrestling apply. So from here, so you got our variety. So here high, low, mid, set 2. Then I just press select. Then press generate. Okay, as you can see just now, all the colorful type we'll put in here like that, right? Okay, let's say I don't want this thing. I can say I want more. I want let's say I want black and pink theme. So I put like this, then just press generate or press middle. Okay, then press generate. So as you can see there's a black and pink style. So if you want, then okay. You don't want, then this one. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.